Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back again to your girls another YouTube video. And in today's video, guys, I am gonna be testing out some perfumes I just got and gonna be rating them. I added 2 new perfumes and you guys are gonna be seeing how they smell like and everything. Okay guys, so I got this perfume and it was probably around for something, which is like 80 something bucks, 80 something dollars. I'm sure probably when you travel outside of Africa, things are much reasonable there, but they're very expensive as soon as they cross the borders of Africa, because the sea is too expensive. I think the sea was made out of gold, diamonds, so you know, to cross it you guys to pay a lot of money. Anyway guys, as soon as it crosses the borders, everything just becomes way expensive. Anyway, so this is how it looks, and this is the Dylan Blue. And guys, I really love the perfume at first sight. I love the packaging, truth be told. It is just gorgeous, simple and nice, right? It looks really nice.
Guys, doesn't this perfume just say royalty to you guys? Oh my god, okrut. I had to mute this back because what I was saying wasn't doing any justice to the perfume.
Okay guys, are you ready to see the goodie in here? Let's open it. Guys, I turned the perfume upside down.
Village people shall not win for this one, in Jesus' name. And this is the smallest bottle, $80. And this bottle wants to fall my hand.
This perfume had the bad luck of all other perfumes. Let's hope it smells amazing. Like, my money would have been in vain, and my room would be smelling nice the entire time.
What the fuck?
Guys, the packaging of this though, it is so beautiful. I love it. Let me just say, like, even the packaging alone, it resembles some emperor, you feel me? Like there's Egyptian hats on top. That's how it resembles. Like, okay guys, let's get right into this smell and how it smells like. Let's come rate it if it was worth the hype. So guys, this perfume I actually saw on Jeremy Perfumes. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with him. If you're not familiar with YouTube, he's a YouTuber and he specializes in perfumes, and I love his channel. I like his channel, sorry. And I saw this perfume, he was talking about it, and all his perfumes so far that I've purchased through him, because of him, because he talks about them, all the perfumes I've purchased through him or by him, they've never let me down. Let me just say this, they've never ever let me down. And so far he's the person I can trust for my perfumes that I want to get. So I was like, okay, let me give this a try, go get this and see how it, you know. And hey guys, I'm a perfume fanatic, so as in, you feel me? Exactly. Guys, let's smell this and see how that bad girl smells like. Okay, I just don't smell it in the air. Why is it still up? Ooh.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god, this smells amazing. Oh my god. It almost smells like the poison, but in a more sweeter version. Guys, it reminds me of a certain smell that I cannot seem to remember, but the smell is in my head. And guys, this smells amazing. Let me just say, it freaking smells amazing. It is beautiful. Guys, it doesn't smell like it doesn't smell bussy to me, no. It for sure smells like you know what you're doing. It smells so nice and subtle to the nose as well. So beautiful. It smells like that. Guys, it smells amazing. I'm still trying to pick what exactly it smells like. Like, it smells so elegant. It doesn't smell busty. It smells like a queen, obviously. It smells beautiful, matured, amazing. It definitely smells like a powerful woman. Surely does. It doesn't smell bossy. It smells like you're powerful. Exactly, that's the word. Because if I say bossy, I don't know, I'm mixing it with something different. This is more powerful, guys. When I tell you, I absolutely love the perfume. Like, the smell of it, I love it. If you don't be careful, even more than my good girl that I have, I love the smell. And the smell to that was almost similar, but it's more like sweetish and all that. Way different, obviously. I definitely love it. I'm gonna be wearing it 24/7. Like, this perfume is all over the place and it smells beautiful. So guys, the top notes I can smell in here are black currant, Granny Smith apple. The hat notes are rosifolia. It has jasmine, obviously. It has infusion of peach base. And it has musk, guys. I feel like this would be more nicer during cold time. I feel like you could wear it, I don't know how you guys go, I think winter for you guys, but us here is maybe when it's raining or when you're going to an office where there's AC, because the smell it gives with the cold breeze, I feel like it's more nicer, it's more subtle, it's more beautiful. I haven't smelled it outside yet, but I definitely love the smell it gives inside. And this is definitely like a business meeting, going to have sex, definitely, obviously, going out with the girls, obviously, it smells so amazing. And yeah, I think it smells like that. I think it's worth every penny, guys. I love this perfume. I love it. Guys, just so you know, this is my new favorite perfume and I'm gonna be using it for a long time. I love it. I definitely love it. I'm in love. Okay, guys, the last one. Are you guys ready to see? So I got the La Vie est Belle. Well, I didn't personally purchase this. My boyfriend purchased it for me. He asked what perfume I wanted and I mentioned this. I smelled it once on someone and I absolutely loved the smell. When I asked her, she was like, oh, it's that. And I've heard so many good things about it. I know a few people that are using it and they absolutely love it. They've said a lot about it. I'm yet to try it myself. I don't know how it'll correspond with me, but I definitely love it on other people. I've seen other people wear it and it's a gorgeous smell. I love it. And this is how it looks. Guys, let's just talk about that glittering package though. Like, I think it is beautiful. I like it. If I'm gonna do a perfume one day in the future, amen to that, I want to do as class, you feel me, guys? It's so beautiful. As in, look at the packaging. I think I like the packaging of the Versace though more because it's more simple yet elegant because of the gold things on it. But I'll definitely give this package a 7, guys. Ooh, guys, this is beautiful. I think this is definitely a woman's perfume. Like, even by the whole consistency situation going on here, like, I do like the cover of the thing though. I do like it. It's beautiful. And of course, I like the bowl, as you guys can see. Why did the perfume come this small and in such a big bottle? Like, up to here, the glass, there's no perfume. You see how those people cheat us? Guys, look at me calling you guys bae. Anyway, you are still my bae. Look, trouble. Why? We're buying perfume too. You want to stingy for us. Anyway, let's spray that girl and see how she smells like. As in, hold on. Okay, guys, are you ready? I definitely love that other perfume. I don't want to get rid of this one. Okay. Ooh. It smells like scandal. Definitely. No. When you first spray it, it smells like scandal. Then after a while, definitely smells like scandal. But there's this more, when you dive into it, there's more to it than Scandal. Like, it has more attitude, I would say. Definitely than Scandal. Guys, if you see me looking away or looking somewhere for a long time, it's definitely because I'm trying to inhale the smell. Definitely smells like Scandal. I've used Scandal for 2 years, so I definitely know how it smells by now. Oh, it has a cozy, warm, like, it has a cozy, welcoming feeling to the smell. I don't know what exactly it is, but it does show have it. It's cozy, it's warm. Someone has this perfume on. I'm smelling it right now. It feels like you could trust the person. Like the person is so welcoming. Like, oh, come into this arms, baby girl. Like, perfumes drive me crazy, guys. I'm obsessed with perfume. Anyway, okay. It smells like that, bitch. I'm not supposed to be using bitch, but underage. Close your ears, when you hear bitch. I know you won't close it, but still, let's just do it for the culture. Huh? Close your ears. And now it's having some settling smells to it that are so. Oh, guys, this smells so welcoming. It smells like that girl at home that really, really likes you, that is down for you. She's obviously not a bad bitch. No, not a bad bitch. I was trying to figure out what it is, but she's not a bad bitch. She knows what she's doing. Definitely responsible. But not as the Versace though. The Versace, she is matured. She's elegant. She's like responsible. She's more than a... She's a badass. Let me just say, she is a badass. That's the Versace. This one smells more like she knows what she's doing, but she likes to play it safe. You get? Exactly. That's how this perfume is giving me. It smells like, you know, you're a safekeeper. Oh, not a safekeeper, but a safe player. You like to play it safe. You don't want to take no risk. She plays it safe, obviously. She's a good girl. She knows her worth. Like, do not mess up, because she's gonna come for you. Ah, it smells amazing. I like the smell. I love it on people. I hope other people love it on me, but I love it when women have this. I think I've complimented like 2 women with this on. And this is the La Belle, but this is, hold on, it has specific names to it. La Vie est Belle. Yeah, this is the La Vie est Belle. Yes, guys, this is the La Vie est Belle, and it definitely smells amazing. Like I told you guys, it smells like Scandal to me, but the more upgraded version. Would I regret getting this? I definitely don't regret it, but guys, hold on, it's giving me a different smell later. Not like Scandal anymore. It's not like Scandal anymore. But still the same thing, like you could feel that particular thing standing out. Anyway, the notes in here, it's a floral fragrance. It's a floral fragrance, obviously. It has bergamot. I don't know if that makes sense. It does have bergamot. It has pink pepper in it. And guys, obviously it has raspberry. No wonder, that's the welcoming smell I've been smelling. So guys, my other perfume, which is from Burberry, has raspberry. But I was smelling a certain smell. Like I told you guys, I was smelling something that wasn't anymore to Scandal, but smells like that was standing out. And that's the raspberry. Yes, guys, the other one I have is also raspberry, but this smells more mature than that one. That one smells like young, and this definitely smells like a young girl who knows what she's doing. She's not a bitch. No, she's not a bitch. She's responsible. She is the good girl. Yes, she's the good girl, but do not mess with her. That's it. It definitely smells amazing, and it has raspberry. It has jasmine, orange blossom, obviously. It has patchouli, vanilla. I can smell the vanilla a little bit. when you come close to it. It has sandalwood in it as well. No wonder. Anyway, this perfume, I'll rate this a 10. Obviously, this is a 10 for me. And I'll rate this, if I was supposed to rate this, I'll rate this an 8. This is an 8 for me. This is an 8. I definitely like it. And it's definitely gonna be a fragrance for me. But this, guys, this. Don't see it as small as this, guys. You guys will tell me if you get this. You won't regret it. Like, as in, this is small but mighty. In fact, that is what I'm coming to use now. Now I'm supposed to go somewhere. That is what I'm using now. Like, as in, that shit be smelling lit as fuck.